Maesgeirchen is quite a large council estate on the outskirts of Bangor. I've lived here for 38 years. When I came, I was told, oh, it's not a nice place to live. But I have never regretted 1 minute of it. I've brought up my children here, my grandchildren have been brought up here. The community is brilliant. If there's anything important that concerns the whole estate, then people come out in force. It's a good community and it's a pleasure to live here.
£1 million was offered to the community to see what they could do with it. Anybody on this estate pretty much can come to us, ask for funding to start something that they really wanted to do for the community benefit, and we're able to do that only because of the specific situation that we were put in, thanks to Invest Local.
There's been a lot of projects funded from the allotment group to a local organisation which often organises fun events around Christmas and Easter and Halloween. And then in terms of the kind of ongoing activities, there's been a real focus on environmental stuff here. The Hive Caffi is a brilliant example of people coming together as volunteers and working together during COVID and post-COVID, and with the cost of living crisis now. We are working in partnership with the local authority who've asked the group to be a host, if you like, for what they've called a support hub. So there's support there for people with fuel and food costs and mental health and wellbeing as well.
There's a lot of different projects running in the area. One of the most notable is the Hive gardeners who have been doing edible landscaping all around Maesgeirchen and Tannerbryn in raised beds behind the church in their own garden. They grow a lot of food there that they also use for another of their projects, which is the Hive Caffi.
Through the summer, we have lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, and you know, all the kids just eat it. And probably at home they won't. But I think it's because they're amongst all their friends and people enjoy it. They have a main hot meal, chat to other families. Children come off the school bus, they come straight there. And it's just gone from 30 people to, I think we did over 90 last week.
I love being involved in all of this. It brought me back to life. It's amazing that I've come so far because of this opportunity that was presented to everybody. I didn't intend on moving here, but I found my home. It's only because of the community engagement here. It's just unreal. I'm a perfect example of someone that's received assistance and now is in a position to be able to give back. You can do that too, but we need you to first step forward. Let us know that you're there. And then from there, we can help.